Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devinter. Today we will see how to work customer wallet via POS app. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here our module POS customer wallet. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to POS app, go to configuration menu, and under this product and POS category, provided here option customer wallet. Allow customer to recharge and pay using a wallet balance. Allow this option and select here method card, customer account or cash, iPhone customer account. Let's say now go to settings, users, and allow these options wallet manager. Let's say now go to POS app and go to customers, go to anyone like a Deco artist and see here this display wallet balance. Wallet balance is 0 and display here is recharge wallet. Deco addict have no balance, so I want to recharge. Customer Deco addict current balance 0. Operation total provided to add money or deduct money. First I want to add because Deco addict have a no. So I want to recharge amount total 500. If you want to write not, so write here, otherwise optional. Do you confirm? See here this info, wallet updated, new balance for Deco addict, total 500 and also display here 500 balance. Now open it and display here credited entry. Now go to dashboard and continue selling from furniture shop. Now select any item like a desk bag. Selected customer is Deco addict. Now payment and also display here wallet in 500 and provided here option for recharge. If you want to recharge from directly here, then easily do it. Current balance is a 500. If you want to add more amount, then write here 500 and now recharge. So display here this info, new balance 1000 and also display here updated wallet balance. Again go to backend and now I want deduct. So again go to same customer Deco addict. Total balance is 1000 and now I want to deduct money. So select here these options and total deduct money 200. Do you confirm this? See here this info, wallet updated Deco addict for total 800. See here this above because 200 is deduct. Now open it and display here this total 3 entry, 2 for credit and 1 is a debit. And also display here amount. So using this our app, you can easily manage recharge wallet for the customer with debit and credit entry. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.